Here is a beginner-level Regulatory Affairs Manager quiz that covers regulatory compliance, product registration and licensing, and regulatory strategy development. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary responsibility of a Regulatory Affairs Manager? A. Product marketing. B. Ensuring regulatory compliance of products. C. Increasing sales revenue. And D. Managing company finances. The answer is ensuring regulatory compliance of products. Question 2. Which regulatory agency oversees drug approvals in the United States? A. EMA, B. MHRA, C. FDA, and D. CDSCO. The answer is FDA. Question 3. Which of the following is a key document required for product registration? A. Profit and loss statement. B. Customer feedback form. C. Annual sales report. And D. Common technical document, CTD. The answer is Common Technical Document, CTD. Question 4. What is the main purpose of regulatory compliance? A. To maximize company profits. B. To ensure products meet safety, quality, and efficacy standards. C. To speed up product development. And D. To reduce marketing costs. The answer is to ensure products meet safety, quality, and efficacy standards. Question 5. Which of the following is not a part of regulatory strategy development? A. Identifying regulatory risks. B. Aligning with product development timelines. C. Maximizing advertising expenditure. And D. Understanding global regulatory requirements. The answer is maximizing advertising expenditure. Question 6. What is the purpose of Good Manufacturing Practice (GMP) regulations? A. To ensure product safety and quality. B. To improve company branding. C. To increase production speed. And D. To minimize taxation. The answer is to ensure product safety and quality. Question 7. Which document is submitted for marketing authorization of a new drug in the EU? A. NDA, B. IND, C. EMA, and D. ANDA. The answer is MAA, Marketing Authorization Application. Question 8. In the US, an investigational new drug (IND) application is required for A. Manufacturing a new drug, B. Labeling over-the-counter medicines, C. Selling a generic drug, and D. Conducting clinical trials. The answer is conducting clinical trials. Question 9. Which phase of clinical trials involves testing on a large patient population? A. Phase 1, B. Phase 2, C. Phase 3, and D. Phase 4. The answer is Phase 3. Question 10. What does the term post-marketing surveillance refer to? A. Monitoring product safety after approval. B. Analyzing competitor pricing strategies. C. Conducting preclinical research. And D. Increasing product sales. The answer is monitoring product safety after approval. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is an abbreviated new drug application, ANDA, used for? A. Approval of new molecular entities. B. Generic drug approval. C. Biologics licensing. And D. Veterinary medicine registration. The answer is generic drug approval. Question 12. Which of the following is an international regulatory agency? A. FDA, B. EMA, C. WHO, and D. TGA. The answer is WHO. Question 13. Which aspect of regulatory strategy ensures smooth global product registration? A. International regulatory harmonization. B. Increased marketing budget. C. Reducing quality control measures. And D. Hiring more sales representatives. The answer is international regulatory harmonization. Question 14. What is the role of a regulatory dossier? A. To promote the product. B. To provide scientific and regulatory information for approval. C. To track employee performance. And D. To report financial earnings. The answer is to provide scientific and regulatory information for approval. Question 15. Which regulatory pathway is used to fast-track the approval of life-saving drugs? A. Standard review. B. Product recalls. C. Generic approval process. And D. Accelerated approval. The answer is accelerated approval. Question 16. Which document provides detailed information about drug safety and efficacy? A. Batch manufacturing record. B. Summary of product characteristics, SmPC. C. Press release. And D. Marketing strategy plan. The answer is Summary of Product Characteristics, SmPC. Question 17. Which term refers to the process of submitting changes to an approved product? A. Post-approval modifications. B. Drug withdrawal. C. Regulatory lobbying. And D. Brand positioning. The answer is post-approval modifications. Question 18. Which of the following is an important aspect of product licensing? A. Increasing company reputation. B. Reducing production costs. C. Meeting country-specific regulatory requirements. And D. Hiring celebrity brand ambassadors. The answer is meeting country-specific regulatory requirements. Question 19. A company wants to expand its drug sales to multiple countries. What should they focus on? A. Local market trends. B. International regulatory compliance. C. Hiring more sales representatives. And D. Digital marketing strategies. The answer is international regulatory compliance. Question 20. Which of the following is a key benefit of regulatory affairs compliance? A. More attractive packaging designs. B. Reduced research and development costs. C. Increased social media presence. And D. Faster product approval and market access. The answer is faster product approval and market access. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.